within 5 seconds I kind of knew, okay, something severely is wrong here, like. But yeah, I do remember the chaos, like, because it was on a main road, you know, that I flew straight across. I just kind of remember opening the door and trying to, like, slump out, and then I realised, like, you know, just there and then, like, that I actually can't move my legs. So I spent 2 weeks in the Mater up in Dublin in intensive care, and that was just kind of recovering from surgeries and just kind of starting a bit of physio. It's the first time they get you out of bed, you're actually hoisted out, like. Basketball was great to improve my, like, chair skills, which really improve just your day to day, like, and you're enjoying it, you're having fun, and at the same time it's nice to be competitive again and to be able to compete. When you're backed so much by the community and by everyone around you, like, just the level of support, like, would nearly give you a purpose to get up and do things.